Even after the sun goes down, Mia still gets all the help she needs, with plenty of driving range left for her trip back home. Now, it's time to sit back and relax. The interior lighting sets just the right mood. There's no finer cafe, is there? So Mia can use this space for healing and to recharge her body and mind. Her exhaustion disappears. I wonder what trashing ideas she's dreaming of now. It's the perfect space for Mia to finalize the details of her upcoming show.
Hi, I'm Fred.